Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So I am going to make a salad with my wacky watermelon. So I cut up my watermelon when you saw me show you guys how my watermelon grew weird. That's not how that watermelon grows. It grows like a normal watermelon, but my husband thinks that that one grew that way because the vine went across from one raised bed to another, so it was growing down, dangling. I have a picture of it on the vine. So he thinks it grew that way because it was dangling down and just kind of, anyways, it looks like a gourd, or it looked like a gourd. But those are native to Oklahoma, that particular watermelon. It's a yellow watermelon. And they basically taste the same as your red watermelon. Now I harvested a lot of seeds. I'm going to dry them out. I have a bunch from the other one I had planted. They're organic. And when people say non-GMO, well, you can't get GMO seeds, just so you all know. You have to buy those from like Monsanto and stuff, so no seeds are GMO. They're either hybrid or whatever. So I harvested the seeds from it so I can add those to some of the seeds I'll be giving away when my garden is finished. And I'm going to make a salad. I have a small sirloin steak here with some onion powder, garlic salt, Lowry salt. I'm going to pepper it. I'm cooking it in a little olive oil and butter. And then we'll use some red onion, the watermelon, some romaine lettuce, feta cheese, and a balsamic vinaigrette. And maybe a homegrown bell pepper or something. But really simple salad, but yummy. So I just thought I'd share the salad with you. It's a good salad. I did that one with the mandarin oranges. I like to put fruit in with my salad, and this is a good way for us to eat the weird shaped watermelon. So I'm going to let this finish cooking, and then when I start putting the salad together, we will come back and make the dressing and do that. Okay, our steak is cooked and I've let it rest a bit. I have our lettuce, red onion, and yellow watermelon on the plate. Do this just using one cutting board. Okay. You want to slice it thin, and that will really stretch it. I cooked it for 5 minutes on each side. So it's a medium rare. You can cook it to your desired if you want it more done. Do it 7 minutes on each side or 10 minutes on each side. But if you do a well done steak, it'll be more chewy. Just keep that in mind. This is hot. Lay out your pieces of steak. On your salad. So we've got steak, watermelon, red onion, lettuce. And now I'm going to add some feta cheese. So you've got sweet, savory, croutons. And if my avocados were ripe, I would slice an avocado in half and put one on each side, but they are not ripe. So there's the salad. Now we are going to make the dressing. So if you have one of these things, get you a carafe. If not, just get a bowl and whisk. Excuse me, it's not food. Candy dye. Candy color. Get some balsamic vinegar. Hold on. Okay, so I have my carafe. I have some fresh ground pepper. I'm going to add about that much in there. I have my pink Himalayan salt. I'm going to add about that much in there. You could add some garlic powder, granulated garlic, minced onion, but you would want to add a little bit of water to rehydrate that a bit. And on this bottle, you get these with the good seasons. You have a vinegar line, a water line, and your oil line. It's hard to see. They have a design on the bottle. I have some other ones that don't have anything on them. So now we're going to add some olive oil. And just pour it in there. You use twice the amount of olive oil to the amount of vinegar when you're making a vinegar, olive oil, or vinegar and oil based dressing. I'm going to use this black cherry balsamic vinegar. So I don't know if you can see. Put the lid on and just shake it up. That's what it looks like. You really want the salt and pepper. And we are just going to drizzle that over the salad. And there it is. I've made this a lot of times. It's delicious. So yeah, mix that fruit and your meat and some greens, and have an awesome salad, because it's still in the high 90s here. It'll be like 95 or 98 when we go to the fair. So anyways, just thought I'd share that salad with you. Super easy, super quick, and that is dinner tonight. So y'all stay safe, you stay healthy, and I will see you in the next video, and hopefully comments will reappear for me. I know y'all are talking. I see it, and then it goes poof into outer space.